Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your Steam download drops to 0. Open Steam and we'll need to go into the settings. Here we need to go into the download settings. Yes, here we have downloads and here we have the download cache. But before clearing it, make sure you don't have any active downloads because it will cancel all your downloads and you'll have to start over. That's important. Second, this is your region, the closest region to you. Select it, take a look. It's usually set automatically, but maybe at some point you changed it or moved and forgot. There, make sure to change it and set your download limits. That's a must. Also, this could be related not only to your internet speed, but also to the speed of your hard drive downloads. You need to disable caching. To do this, right-click the mouse, click Run, click on Device Manager, click on our disks, select the disk, right-click the mouse, go to Properties, then click here and remove the check mark from here and click OK. There we go. We've disabled caching so it won't load your disk as heavily. You can reset the network next. I'll warn you right away, you won't need to do anything after this command. It simply resets the DNS settings. Open the command line, type cmd, run it as administrator, type ipconfig flush DNS, and hit enter. There. Done. Cache cleared. Overall, there's not much else you can do. If your download speed is still slow, check your internet speed, check Steam status as well. Maybe the servers are just down. There you go. See, everything is fine now, but still there, and that's it. This is Valor. See you all later.